Today's lesson is Chapter 6, Lesson 9, on pages 429 through 434. Our objective today is I can estimate quotients of decimal and whole numbers. Vocabulary, estimate, and quotient. Question 1. When you see the word about, you can blank. Question 2. You can use blank numbers when you estimate. Alright, here's the video on that.
Extending division. Ms. Glover buys 2 kites for a total of $15.18. If each kite costs the same, about how much did each kite cost? Let's take a closer look at what we need to find. We need to find about how much each kite costs. Do we need an exact answer, or will an estimate answer the question? Yes, an estimate is what we need. Now let's start solving the problem. The cost of both kites is $15.18. To find the estimated cost of one kite, we will need to estimate $15.18 divided by 2. Let's use compatible numbers as our method to estimate. Change $15.18 to $16 because 16 and 2 are compatible numbers. Then divide $16 by 2 mentally. $16 divided by 2 equals $8. So $15.18 divided by 2 is about $8. Each kite costs about $8.
Alright, here's another example of that on page 430 in your book. So this says that 3 friends went out to dinner and their total cost of their meals was $32.57. If the friends split the bill evenly, about, so there's our keyword about, so I know right then I can estimate. How much will each person pay? Explain why your answer is reasonable. So we have to estimate $32.57 divided by 3 by rounding. So we can find compatible numbers. So rounding it to the nearest whole dollars, it would be $33. And we have to think, is 33 easily divided by 3? And it is. So we can use that. If it wasn't, we could find something a little easier that would be a compatible number that would let us divide. So if this was $31, we could round down to 30 divided by 3. So $33 divided by 3 gives us 11. So each friend will pay about $11. And here's how they checked for reasonableness. They multiplied 3 times 11, so the inverse operation, and they got 33. And they knew that $33 was pretty close to $32.57, so that means the answer is reasonable. Alright, so look back at these 2 questions, and remember that we've been working with this estimating with regular multiplication and dividing, so you should know the answer to question 1 and question 2 already.